Discover what full service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone, welcome again to 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are investment ideas. In today's podcast, we bring result update on ITC Limited, Persistent System and Reliance Industries. Analyst maintains buy on ITC with a price target of Rs 265. ITC registered strong operating performance in Q1 FY22 with revenues and operating profit growing by 36% and 51% respectively. Cigarette business sale volumes grew by 32 to 33% in Q1 FY22. Sales volume has a pickup on sequential basis and expected to reach to pre-COVID levels on absolute terms by Q3 FY22. FMCG is gaining good traction and will maintain its double-digit revenue growth and operating margin expansion in the medium term. The stock is currently trading at attractive valuation of 15.3 times its FY23 estimates earning per share, considering its strong cash generation ability and dividend yield of 5%. Scale up in margins of cigarette business coupled with pickup in FMCG business and any potential corporate restructuring would be a key re-rating triggers for the ITC. Persistent System. Analyst retains buy on Persistent System with a revised price target of Rs 3,600. Given strong earnings growth potential, healthy deal wins and M&A activity to enhance capabilities. Company delivered strong revenue growth on the back of robust volume growth and increase in billing rates. We believe Persistent System is poised for another strong year after industry-leading growth in FY21, given its strong capabilities in product engineering space and consistent in execution. Further, the company would continue to invest in deepening its collaboration with IBM to accelerate hybrid cloud adoption among the enterprises. We expect dollar revenue per earnings to clock a CAGR of 19% 30% over FY21 to 24 estimates. At current market price, the stock is trading at a valuation of 26 times its FY23 estimates and 23 times its FY24 earning estimates, which is justified given strong earning growth, broad-based growth across top accounts and improvement in cash conversion. Reliance Industries. Analyst maintains buy on Reliance Industries with an unchanged price target of Rs 2,400 as we expect 30% PAT CAGR over FY21 to 23 estimates led by a strong growth in consumer-centric business like Jio and retail and recovery in downstream cyclical margin. Q1 FY22 EBITDA was in line as strong performance by Jio was offset by miss in retail EBITDA, while standalone business witnessed strong earnings recovery quarter on quarter. Strong balance sheet provides scope for acquisition which would support faster growth and market share gain in the organized retail sector. Potential deal in O2C business and further value unlocking in digital and retail business with a likely IPO are a key catalyst for Reliance Industries. Stock trades at 19.3 times its FY23 estimates earning per share and 8.9 times its FY23 EV by EBITDA. That's all for the day. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always. For more details, disclosures and disclaimer, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.